wonder what's going on. Wait, what are you doing with my controller?
This is what you get for breaking my headset.
Wait, what?
This is what you get for breaking my headset.
What are you doing? No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, you're not. No, give me it. Give me that. No!
Oopsie.
Dude, that's mine. Why would you do that? What are you? They're breaking the freaking plug-in.
I know.
Dude, stop! That's my controller. Oh, did you break it? Yes. Oh my god. What are you doing? Stop it. No, not the head, not the head. No.
This is what you get for breaking my
What
headset.
are you doing? Stop it now. What are you calling?
What if I could break the back?
Stop. Oh my gosh, did you break it? No. You left a crack in it.
Where?
Oh my gosh, stop.
Where?
You left, dude, right here, right there. You left a crack in it. Dude, stop. Stop it. I don't want to get hit.
Stand back.
Dude, stop.
You're telling me how to do it.
No.
Oh.
I felt that back here. Stop. It hurt.
Let's see. Where'd it go?
I don't know. Just went somewhere back here. But
We're gonna look for it when we're done.
no, it's already broken, so I might as well just give it a try.
Wait, I'm gonna go one more time.
One more. Here, now you hold the camera, and I'll bust it. Because you got to do it. Okay? It's already broken, so he's gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna stand back. I want to fly out, I'll be. Inside of a 64 controller looks like that's what it is. Okay! 3, 2, 1. Oh, I think I busted something out. I did.
Let me see.
I think I am.
You did.
Go get a hammer.
Okay, your turn.
I'll go get a hammer and you bust it like that, okay? Just a second. Dude, okay,
This goes to show that you can't break the Nintendo controller. It's too hard. Oh,
I got a bat, so like
wait, let me do this.
one more time.
You don't want to be.
Oh. Dude, okay, my turn to stop. My turn to hit it with this.
Sounds jiggly.
Lay it down. Dude, I gotta pee my pants. I have to pee.
Okay.
Just hold that. Hold this. Record me. I want to fly out on my phone. Yeah. But you're gonna do it on this. Or like, if you like quit the video and then you do it on slow-mo camera. Or not. Did you?
No, I didn't quit the video.
Oh my gosh, oh no. Dude, it broke.
Look at that, bro.
Oh, that's definitely not gonna work anymore.
Okay, my turn.
Wait, one more try.
Okay, let me go over here. Okay. Oh, they didn't see that.
Oh, I busted that whole hand part out. That was freaking crazy. Okay, now let me pause this. Dude, I still can't believe you're breaking my controller. Like, I play games on that.
Who cares?
You took the freaking joystick out.
Yeah.
You're breaking it.
Fly out.
It's a piece of
Aiden.
wood.
Aiden, guess what?
What?
We have 2 more controllers. So.
No. Those are yours. Like, just busted already.
I'll let you use one. Yeah, I'll let
Yeah,
you
that's
use my green one. 'Cause my green-
pretty much how you fix it, right?
Yeah.
That's all for today, guys.
No, we're not done.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, bro, you knocked it off. That is crazy. Okay, guys, you can do it really fast like this.
Oh!
That slow motion camera would probably be normal.
It's cracked.
Is it cracked?
Yeah.
Left a big.
Come over here.
Dude, I'm coming.
Not baby level.
Dude. I'm gonna get away. I'm gonna get away from this. This is crazy. 5 minutes in. Okay.
Aiden, can I bring your Sonic outside?
No. Sorry about that.
I'll touch back to get some. Back to the old stuff.
Yeah, back to the normal, because that bat's not doing anything better.
It did something.
Like, it only busted, like, one part off.
See what we got.
Like, seriously? Adrian just joined in. Now let's see him bust it. Come on, Colin.
Hey, look what I got. I got the Z off. So now I can play the Z game. What's the boss doing?
Oh,
What did you get off? What's that?
barely anything.
Okay, now let's go. Wait. It was our
Let me get a tall screen.
I'll try.
Let's make it look like I'm very tall. Like, I'm gonna like, crush you guys. Oh,
Hey, you're super tall.
I turned very tall. Just kidding, I'm just this tall. Dang, he's buff. Move that box. I can't see it. That autocraft my beep.
I tore up the inside. My turn.
Oh my gosh, he's almost done.
My turn. Wait. My turn.
Ah, you